BMW is a symbol of excellence, and as such, we strive to ensure the very best of service for our customers. That is why we are proud to introduce personalized video communication to enhance your BMW service experience. Designed to improve communication and enhance customer experience, BMW Smart Video digitally takes you to the heart of the workshop, allowing you to better understand the servicing of your vehicle. With BMW Smart Video, you can watch live video updates of your service directly from your service advisor. You will receive SMS and email notifications to watch a video explanation of your vehicle's service requirements. BMW Smart Video allows you to review additional work identified by your dedicated BMW service expert and authorize online. Use live video chat functionality to communicate with your service advisor for increased transparency, trust, and convenience. Once you are happy with the details and cost of your service, select your preferred delivery date and time. And don't forget to rate your BMW Smart Video experience. This easy-to-use online process is guaranteed to keep you well informed as a valued BMW customer. We hope you enjoy BMW Smart Video the next time you bring your BMW to an authorized service center.